That's nice.
Historic.
Been up for ages, James. And then he drops it. Smash!
First iPhone. iPhone 7! What's that?
More apple stickers. Apple pineapple stickers. Oops.
Fun! Oh wait. It's the most satisfying bit.
Peeling that off. It's thinner, isn't it?
Yes.
Except for that.
When will the case arrive?
Soon. No charge.
Tuesday.
Well, Dad's ordered the case. No. Do you get a charger?
So it's got headphones. So how does that work?
Do you plug into the
Does
other
it plug
port,
into
James
the
said.
other port?
Do you have a charger?
Does he have a charger? You mean that one? And that one?
I can't see you. I can't see it. I just saw him get out the headphones. Oh.
So I need to remember to take that with me various places.
Yeah. And you,
It's
what
the
about your other
adapter.
headphones? Or was that the
Well,
only
that'll
ones
work
you
with those
used?
Bose ones then as well, won't it? If that's how this
It's
connects.
the adapter.
Oh, it's the adapter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like, I thought you'd have to, knowing Apple, I thought you'd have to buy the adapter separately. Like BMW.
You originally had to.
Oh, you wanted wheels with your car. Oh, well, that's an extra $2,000.
Well, they used to come in that plastic box, didn't they?
Yeah, no,
Yeah, that was good, the plastic box.